Hi there, I hope you're keeping well. Today I'd like to share with you how to make peppered smoked turkey. Smoked turkey is usually available in most Asian shops, so if you're going to try this recipe, do check in your local Asian shop or halal shop. I don't think I've seen it in the big grocery shops. I usually get mine from my local Asian shop, so a dear friend of mine has requested I make a video on this, so I hope you get to try it and it works out when you do. Ingredients are blended now. I'll be pouring that out in a saucepan and steaming for about 10 minutes just to dry it out and cook it a bit. So I've added my salt, no seasoning, diced onions, ginger, garlic, thyme, and I'm going to bring that to a boil and cook it a little bit and get rid of this stuff. So I've added some spice. I'm going to cook that for I'll let it cook for about 15 minutes and then we would continue. Our blended pepper sauce is now steamed. It's been steaming for about 10 minutes. So what we now need to do is fry the sauce in some oil. To fry the tomato sauce, I've added around a cup of oil, maybe a cup and a half. You could always add more if you feel it's too dry later. Into the pot, I just let that heat up. Add onions to the oil once it's hot. And around 100 grams of tomato puree. And then you stir. Teaspoon of salt. So you let that fry for about 3 minutes until the tomato puree looks a bit fried. So it's been around 3 to 4 minutes that's been frying the onions and the tomato puree and a bit of salt. So I'm going to now add my steamed mix, tomato, pepper, ginger, garlic mix to the oil. I'll reduce the heat now and then I'll just leave it to continue to fry and stir as often as I can. So our pepper sauce is ready and I'm just going to set that aside. You can add more salt or any spice you prefer if it doesn't have enough, so you can spice it to your taste. So I'm going to set that aside. In the meantime, I cooked the turkey for about 15 minutes and I'm just going to get rid of the water and then cook it in the oven further just to get it a bit brown. So I'm going to sieve my turkey and get rid of the water and then put that in the oven. So the turkey has been in the oven for half an hour at 180 degrees. So I'm just going to now put that in a pan. It is cooked and slightly crisp now. So the last step is just to add the pepper sauce we prepared to the turkey. So the ingredients we use will give you way more than you need for this turkey, the quantity of turkey we made. But I normally just use the opportunity to make this sauce. It's very nice to have enough some in the freezer or fridge, and you can use it for your jollof rice. Same sauce and same process for peppered beef, jollof rice, or chicken. So that will not go to waste. You can even use it for your pasta sauce as well. So I always have this sauce handy for the weekdays when I need to make something quickly. The sauce we made, the tomato, chilies and onions and spice sauce to the smoked turkey. We parboiled the turkey and then cooked it a bit in the oven. Got rid of the stock and I've mixed it with the tomato sauce. So this is our peppered turkey. It is really delicious and very nice. Hope you get to try it at home. Do let us know how you get on. Enjoy, and also I wish you the joy of the Easter season. Until next time, God bless.